Good afternoon. Welcome to New York City. It's the second day of the self-distancing. I'm here with my assistant Maddie and we're having fun taping. So I wanted to talk about a special detox flow which helps the body clean itself through aiding the lungs and the kidneys, amongst other things. Very simple. It's all done on one side. Take your right hand and place it over your left shoulder. For those of you who know Jin Shin Jyutsu, we're holding both safety energy lock number 11 with safety energy lock number 3. Number 11 lets go of excess baggage. It lets go of what we no longer need, and it helps actually with our intestines. So it really helps detox the body. When we're holding the safety energy lock number 3, that's all about helping the lungs and helping our attitudes move through our bodies so we don't get caught up in fear or worry. At the same time, we'll take our left hand, put it below our rib cage on the back on safety energy lock number 23. And number 23 is controller of our destiny. It helps, it's also located in the middle of the torso, right in the area of the kidneys and the adrenal glands, and also in the area of the stomach and the spleen, the liver, the gallbladder, the pancreas. So it's helping in digestion. So we're digesting our experience. This is a new, never before experienced episode in our life. We don't know where it will lead to, so day by day, moment by moment. Stay in this position for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You can stay longer if it feels really delicious to stay there. And then when you're ready, when you feel a little pulsation beneath your fingertips, take your left hand and put it in your left groin area. That's called safety energy lock number 15, which is our joy and laughter. Joy and laughter is the best medicine, helps the circulation of the blood and all the fluids in our body. So we're helping get the waters of life, the water, we're made up of 80 to 85% water, to get all that water and fluid moving through the body and helping the kidneys clean the fluids, clean the water element. 3 to 5 minutes, again, longer if it feels good. And then the last step, take your right hand and put it on the bottom of your left foot on the arch area. I like to take my whole palm and put it right on the, let me take my shoe off. Just grab the bottom of my foot. And this is safety energy lock number 6, all about our balance and harmony. Also, by the way, for those in the know, this is where the kidney energy flows through that area. So we're really helping our kidneys to clean and flush out impurities in their body, and most importantly, to let go of fear. Fear has a lot to do with kidney energy. So we freeze and then there's not enough flow or movement in our bodies. So that's a simple detox flow. You can repeat the same thing on the other side. Let me go through it quickly on the other side. Left hand on the right 11 and 3. Right hand on the right 23, just below the rib cage. So we're holding our shoulders and just the top of our scapula, and then we're holding below the rib cage. And the right hand goes into the groin, safety energy lock number 15. And then finally the left hand comes, and I'm going to take my slipper off again and go to the arch of the foot on the right side. Simple detox flow. You could do one side at a time. You could do them consecutively. You could start with the left or the right. Just start. Helps detox and let go of fear, and helps us relax so we can breathe. The best way to heal is through breathing and exhaling and moving. That's about it for today, folks. I'll be checking in periodically. I'm really interested in the immune system. I think that's what this episode in our life is telling us about, to look at what is immunity. How do we strengthen our immune systems? These are some of the questions we'll be talking about. Okay, thanks for tuning in.